So I'm at Mazi, which is a brand new place here in Mumbai. It's in Juhu. Shashank, what does Mazi mean?
Mazi means coming together, and so we are for partners who come together from all different walks of life, and we have created this.
And you know what's beautiful about this? They have these really huge tables, so it's not necessary that you're sitting with only the person that you've come for breakfast, lunch or dinner with, but you probably could come here and meet a whole new community of people, and I think that's what food is all about.
Yes, exactly.
So what are you feeding me today?
So it's breakfast time, so Kheema-pao.
Kheema-pao! Let's get cooking.
Yes.
First I put oil.
Oil, Zira, about a teaspoon, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf,
Onions, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons,
turmeric powder,
chili powder, coriander powder,
garam masala, madras curry powder,
jeera.
300 grams keema. Salt. And it is done.
Done.
Yummy. Thank you, chef.